Welcome to class. Now let us look at this question on the board, and it says that if ln into 2y minus 1 equals 3, solve for y. Now whenever you see questions like this, the first thing first is to look at the ln and find a way to clear the ln from the equation. Okay, now the question is, how do we clear ln? Now for us to clear ln, you always apply the E, or we call it the Euler's constant. So let us say you have ln x equals 2. Okay, and in this case we choose to find the value of x. All you just need to do is to raise both sides by e. And why do you raise both sides by e? Because e is the inverse of ln, as much as ln is the inverse of what? E. So e here now clears out ln, leaving us with x equals what? E raised to what? 2. So in this case now, all we just need to do is to raise both sides by e so that we can clear off ln. So here we have ln, then 2y minus 1. So let me put this e here, then equals e raised to 3. So from this rule here, we can now clear off this clear off this. So we are left with what? 2y minus 1 equals e raised to 3. So in this case, now what we just need to do is to add 1 to both sides of the equation. So by adding 1 to both sides, or we just take negative 1 over to the right hand side. So I take note, as it moves here, it becomes positive. So we are left with what? 2y equals e raised to 3, then plus 1. So what we just need to do here now is to divide both sides by 2, which is the coefficient of what? Y. So divide this by 2, divide this by 2, this clear off this. So our y then equals e raised to 3 plus 1 all over 2. Final answer. Please don't forget to share this video with other learners. Bye bye.